What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to go into Invoicing You, the new updates, how you can get your hands on it for a low price and leverage this in your business. So let's jump right in. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. So what we're looking at here is the dashboard. You can see we've got some cool little boxes here kind of showing us what's coming in, if we've had any failed payments, our total invoiced for the month, total collected, and our total projected. So you can see this is for February. I've had 2 failed payments in February. You can see I've collected some money as well, and I have more projected. So this is just for Invoicing You, and it does pull in some of your Stripe subscriptions as well. But you can kind of project your revenue here, and you can see which days you don't have revenue coming in, and maybe those would be the days you'd want to go out and make an offer, something like that. And it's a good way to project your cash flow a little bit. Over here are the recent activities on the side. You can see subscriptions coming in, who they are by, oftentimes, and all of that stuff. So there's the total number of invoices you have created, and if you want to create a new one, you can do that right here. You can see we have 6 different invoice types. We have a general invoice, which this would be a one-off. You would be creating an invoice just for a specific customer. Product invoices, you can create these and get paid on that same invoice again and again. So this would be good for an offer like coaching, where you charge hourly, or a product or service you're going to continue to offer again and again. You can create the invoice and send that link to whoever you want to pay it. You can easily get paid within a couple seconds as soon as they fill out their information. If you want bank transfers, you can do that here with the ACH invoice. There's group invoices. So these can be used to give a discount if multiple people sign up for an offer. So it's kind of like the Groupon style, where you create an invoice for, say, $500. But you could link that invoice to, say, if 5 people sign up, it becomes $400 for everyone. So that way you can incentivize a group of buyers to come in on one of your offers and give everybody a discount. There's also ascending invoices, which I'm going to be dropping in the link to this video, where you can actually sign up for this software. I'm going to start out at $97, and the offer will increase by $10 after every person signs up. So you can create these starting at a price, and you can do it based on a set amount or a percentage. And you can decide how many people have to sign up before that increase takes place. So super powerful feature. This is good for generating additional revenue and also seeing what exactly someone is willing to pay for your offer. So I love these ones. And in addition to that, we now have the free trial ascending invoice. So let's just go over a couple of these invoices so you can see the different types. First, we're going to start with general. That's this one here. So you can see this was direct to a customer. So I entered his info. It automatically sends them an email as soon as you put their info in, and they get a link to pay this invoice. You can also share the URL with anyone. So you can see this one was marked paid. You can tell if they're paid or unpaid and all of that when you go to invoices here. Next, we have a product invoice. This one is something that can be paid over and over again. You can see this one's for a coaching call. It's 1 hour, and I can actually go and pay this right now. This one has already been paid, but I can use that same invoice over and over again. Whereas with the general, once it's paid, it's done. They can print the invoice, but that's about it. Next, we have ACH. I don't have any examples of these ones. I don't use these type in my business. But if you want to get a direct bank payment, you can use the ACH invoice. Group invoice. This is an example of one I did when I was first offering Chirply. So I went into a Facebook group for wholesaling, and I offered this deal to a limited amount of people. You can see I had 1 sign up. If I would have gotten 10, the price would have dropped $50 for each person. So actually, if 100 people ordered it, it would have went down to $297 for each person in that group. So that's how those group invoices work. You can see I only had 1 person sign up, and this offer expired, so better luck next time. With these invoices, even though they sign up, you set a expiration time, and when it expires, that is when they're charged. So no one is charged until this group pricing takes place and the expiration date comes up. So it's a cool way to give people a group incentive to buy. I haven't used them too much, but that is an option. Next, we have the Ascending Invoice. So that's what I'm dropping in the link to this video, where you can actually buy the software and get access to it. So this is an Invoicing You agency account lifetime deal. So for $97, you can get this deal right now. For a one-time fee, you unlock this software and we'll be able to use it in your business going forward. After every purchase, so after every order, it's going to go up $10. So the first person's going to get it for $97, the second person for $107, so on and so on. So the point of this is you can kind of see what someone thinks your offer is worth and kind of validate those price points as you work your way up, as well as increasing your revenue with each purchase. So it's a really cool invoice. Hopefully you guys take advantage of this early on and get the lowest price possible. And finally, we have the free trial Ascending Invoice. So this is one I did for my group. It's a special discount for Genius Messenger CRM. You can only get this in my group. But you can see here, they do get a discount on that, and it's a free trial Ascending Invoice. So once they sign up, they get a discount off of the core price. So hopefully that gives you an idea of the types of invoices you can create. You can see you get this cool little dashboard, and new features will be added over time as well. So with that being said, hopefully you guys lock in a cool rate on Invoicing You. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos like this one. Go ahead and check out the invoice below if you want to get access to the software, and I'll catch you on the next video.